Your kidneys filter over 200 quarts of blood every single day, yet that $40 detox tea you bought? Complete nonsense. Here's the thing, if you've been diagnosed with kidney disease, or you're trying to protect these vital organs, you've probably heard conflicting advice. Eat more protein. No, wait, eat less. Whole grains are healthy. Actually, white bread might be better. It's confusing, and honestly, it's exhausting. I'm here to cut through the noise. In this video, we're breaking down the exact foods that truly support your kidneys, the surprising ones you need to avoid, and the simple swaps that make following a kidney-friendly diet actually doable. Let's break this down. The kidney myth you need to stop believing. First, let's debunk the biggest kidney myth out there, the kidney detox. Walk into any health store and you'll see juices, teas, and supplements promising to cleanse or detoxify your kidneys. Here's what you need to understand: your kidneys are the detox system. They don't need cleansing, they do the cleansing. Think about it like this. Imagine your kidneys as a high-tech water filtration plant running 24/7. Each kidney contains 500,000 tiny filters called nephrons. Every single day, they process over 200 quarts of blood, removing about 2 quarts of waste and toxins to create urine. That's the detox happening right now, in your body, without any expensive tea. So what do your kidneys actually need? Not a cleanse, they need the right fuel. A balanced diet, proper hydration, and avoiding substances that create extra work for them. That's it. When you stop wasting money on detox gimmicks and start eating kidney smart, you give these organs exactly what they need to do their job efficiently, and you'll feel the difference in your energy, your blood pressure, and your overall health. Quick pause. If you're ready to take control of your kidney health with evidence-based strategies like this, hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's keep going. The big 3 nutrients that change everything. Now let's talk about what actually matters when your kidneys are struggling. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this: sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, the big 3. When kidneys are damaged, they can't filter these minerals properly, and they start building up in your blood. This isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. Let me explain each one simply. Sodium. When your kidneys can't filter sodium, your body holds onto extra fluid. Imagine trying to drain a bathtub, but someone keeps adding more water. The result? Swelling in your ankles and feet, elevated blood pressure, and extra strain on your heart and lungs. The fix? Limit sodium to under 2,300 milligrams per day. That means avoiding the obvious culprits: processed meats like bacon and deli turkey, canned soups, frozen dinners, and yes, that salt shaker. Potassium. This one surprises people. Potassium is everywhere in healthy foods: bananas, avocados, spinach, sweet potatoes. But here's the problem. When damaged kidneys can't filter it, potassium levels spike in your blood, and this directly affects your heart's electrical rhythm. We're talking irregular heartbeat, which can be life-threatening. Phosphorus. This mineral pulls calcium from your bones when levels get too high, making them weak and brittle. But here's what's really insidious: food manufacturers add phosphate additives to processed foods and dark sodas to enhance flavor and shelf life. Here's the critical part. Your body absorbs nearly 100% of these additives, compared to only 40–60% of natural phosphorus in whole foods. Look for any ingredient with phos in it: phosphoric acid, calcium phosphate, and avoid it. When you manage these 3 nutrients, you're not just following a diet, you're taking direct pressure off your kidneys, protecting your heart, and keeping your bones strong. This is the foundation everything else builds on. The superfood paradox: what healthy people eat that you can't. Okay, this is where kidney health gets really counterintuitive, and honestly, kind of frustrating. Many of the foods celebrated as superfoods, the ones you've been told are the healthiest options, are actually on the danger list for kidney disease. Let me give you some shocking numbers. 1 medium banana 422 milligrams of potassium, 1 average avocado, 690 milligrams of potassium, 1 cup of cooked spinach, 839 milligrams of potassium, 1 medium baked potato, 610 milligrams. For context, if you're managing kidney disease, you might need to stay under 2,000–3,000 milligrams of potassium per day. 1 avocado toast with a banana on the side could put you at nearly half your daily limit by breakfast. And here's the twist that really messes with people's heads. White bread can actually be better than whole wheat when you have kidney disease. A slice of whole wheat bread has 76 milligrams of phosphorus and 90 milligrams of potassium. A slice of white bread? Only 32 milligrams of phosphorus and potassium. Same goes for rice. White rice beats brown rice for kidney health. Why? Because the bran and germ in whole grains, the parts that make them healthy, for most people are packed with the exact minerals damaged kidneys can't handle. Understanding this paradox is liberating. You're not doing something wrong by choosing white rice. You're making a smart, targeted choice for your specific health condition. This is personalized nutrition in action. The smart swaps that make this doable. Alright, let's make this practical. You don't have to memorize every food's mineral content. You just need a handful of simple swaps that become second nature. Swap 1. Apple instead of banana. Craving fruit? Reach for an apple, a handful of blueberries, or some strawberries. They're lower in potassium but still packed with fiber and antioxidants that protect your kidney cells. Swap 2. Cauliflower mash instead of mashed potatoes. Steam some cauliflower, mash it with a bit of butter and garlic. You get that same creamy comfort without the potassium bomb. Honestly, most people can't tell the difference. Swap 3. White or sourdough bread instead of whole wheat. We just covered why. Make the swap without guilt. Swap 4. Clear soda instead of dark cola. If you're going to drink soda, choose lemon lime over cola. Better yet, water with a squeeze of fresh lemon. Dark sodas are loaded with that highly absorbable phosphorus additive we talked about. Here's a pro tip that changes everything. Learn to read labels for hidden phosphorus. Look at the ingredients list. If you see anything with phos in the name, phosphoric acid, sodium phosphate, calcium phosphate, put it back. And one more hack. Rinse your canned foods. Drain and rinse canned beans, tuna, and vegetables under water. This simple 30-second step can cut sodium content by up to 40%. These swaps don't feel like deprivation, they feel like smart choices. And when you start seeing your lab numbers improve, when your energy comes back, when your ankles stop swelling, you'll know these small changes are working. Here's what I want you to take away from this. A kidney-friendly diet is not about deprivation, it's about precision. You're not giving up good food. You're making targeted swaps that reduce the workload on your kidneys while still nourishing your body. Start with one swap this week. Just one. Maybe it's choosing an apple over a banana at breakfast. Maybe it's rinsing your canned beans before adding them to dinner. Small, consistent actions compound into major health improvements. So here's what I need from you. Drop a comment right now and tell me which food swap are you going to try first. I read every single comment, and I want to know what resonates with you. And if this video helped you see kidney health differently, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Your kidneys are working hard for you right now, let's give them the support they deserve. I'll see you in the next video.